Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you a display case that I got from our Sears that's going out of business, and I'm going to turn this into a drawer unit. Originally what it is it was made to hold little knobs for cupboards, and so it has all of these little compartments, and I am going to, these come off like this. And that's the size of the hole. And I'm going to take that rod out and build a drawer for each of the holes. So on the top three, I'm going to build drawers that size. And then the next three down, I'm going to build drawers that are 2 drawers in each section. And then on the very bottom 2, I'm going to build a drawer that goes all the way across all 4 sections. So I'll have small, medium, and large drawers to go on there. And the knobs don't screw off. The knobs are riveted on, so I can't use those as real knobs, but I am going to use them for some of the drawers to pull out for the smaller drawers. And so I just wanted to show you this as I'm getting ready to start it, and then I will show it when I get it. I'll come back when it's all done and put that on the end of this video so that you can see what it's like. So I'll be right back. It'll probably be a couple of weeks, but for you it'll just be a second. Okay, so here it is, all complete. I can't get away far enough to get the whole thing in one shot because we have it in the house now. But I made all of these little drawers. I used the little knobs because these knobs were, they're affixed on here with a rivet, so they don't come off at all. They're just, you know, that was what was supposed to be in those bins behind there, each one. So I used those little pieces for the small drawers, and there were separations because that's where their bins were. So there were separations, so I made 3 rows of that size. And then I figured, that was a lot of little drawers, and I didn't know if I might want something a little bigger. Plus, that's a lot of little drawers. So on the next one I made 4 drawers, and then I wasn't sure how I was going to open them because this is very thin. It's more decorative. I had it as a leftover and wanted something to go across the front because inside I put these little plastic dividers that I also bought at the same time. There were like 3 of them attached together. So for the top ones here, they also have the plastic in them. I put grooves in to slide the plastic into, and I cut those down to 1, and then I cut these down to 2, and they are, I can't do it with one hand, but they're split so that you can actually slide something down in there if I decide I don't want to see what's in the drawer. Or if I want to put something on there as to what's in that drawer. So this was just kind of to cover up that top portion. And so I didn't know how I was going to pull that out because I didn't want to put a handle on here because that's not really that solid. So I put eye hooks in here into the plywood and then just put chain on there because now they can be pulled out with the chain. And I had enough to do 8 drawers. But I have 12 of that size, and so this chain was silver, and so what I did was I dyed it with alcohol ink, and I dyed all of the little eye hooks with alcohol ink also on all of them so that they weren't silver, so they would blend in better. And then on the very bottom I did 4 drawers. So what I did here was I took out, there's still a divider in there. So I took out the divider. There was a divider there in the middle groove on each one. So I took that divider out so I could do that drawer. And then on these ones here, I took all the dividers out to make the full-size drawer. And then I just put handles on there. Papa says you need 2 handles on a big drawer so you can pull it out evenly. And then I had to put a little spacer behind there because of how long the screws I had were. I suppose they're bolts, not screws, I don't know. But anyway, so it is completely finished. I am happy with it. I am not sure exactly what I'm going to put in. I am going to put a sign across the top there. That's the black parts at the top and the bottom, I can slide like a cardboard into there. So I'm going to put the name of my art studio in there. And that is it. That's the whole thing. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I am going to turn it this way. Not sure exactly how that will work, to try and get a picture of the whole thing. So that is it. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate it, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.